Good afternoon, everyone. So, am I audible? I think I'm audible to everyone.
Yes,
Okay. So, I welcome you, all of you, to this fourth semester GTU, and your exam is still pending. Of GTU examination is still pending. So, GT will decide the date and time. Meanwhile, we'll start with our subjects. So, let's start our first session with my introduction. So, and before that, let me check. Only 26. Apart from me, there are 25 students only available. Others might be taking lunch or might be sleeping. Let's see. Yeah. So I'm Harsh Mehta and I belong to IT department. So usually I sit there in IT department. So I usually take advanced Java, big data, AI. I mean, whatever subject comes, usually I take. And as a faculty, we have little bit knowledge of each and every subject. And now we'll take we'll take Java. Subject name is OOP, Object Oriented Programming 1. That is, that is written in GTU website. So I'll be taking your OOP1 for this entire semester. And let's see what we'll arrange after discussing with other faculty members. We'll decide that what to keep as a assignment, as a project, or what else. So meanwhile, in this lecture, I'm not going to teach you anything. We'll just discuss some technical things and some other things. So before I proceed, I wanted to know that how many of you know Java. So we'll what usually in our session, in my session, what we'll do that will not try to unmute your mic and all these things, but what we'll do is you can write down chat box. Mostly, you if you want to talk with me, you can write down in chat box, and I will keep reading those things even while going through this PPT or some videos. I will keep checking the chat box, and if any doubt, any problem, I will address it once I read the chat box. So yeah, you can always speak while you can unmute your mic, but what happens that uh, it may create some chaos. So we'll avoid that. Okay, fine. So yeah, before I proceed, let me ask you one question. How many of you know Java? So you can write down chat box. I mean, anyone have done any classes? Anyone attended some online course? Coding language for web development like interface. Parth says Java, PHP, HTML coding language. Udit Raj has learned. So others might have attended some classes or yes, or Manali. That is the line from internet. I think in this online session, most of you just search on net and get whatever line comes first, then prints it, gives it. The same line will also encounter. Anyway, but that is right answer, Arman. Java is object oriented programming language. So why it's called object oriented? Why it's called language? That will learn. That all these things will learn. Yeah, so my question was that how many of you know Java? So right now, I think Udit Raj says yes. Parth Tank, he didn't say yes or no, but he said something. So other people have attended classes or anyhow you have encountered Java before that or online courses. Anyhow, have you encountered Java first of all? So the question is like this. Okay, Bhavin says gone with basic concepts. Other says no. Fine, if it's no, then no need to write down here. Fine. So yeah, so let me tell you what exactly Java is. So Java is basically, yeah, diploma people will know. Yeah, that's right. Khushbu Ladani says we learn in learning in diploma. Yeah, you have learned in diploma. That's right. Uh, understand basic concept of Python programming. Okay, Hardik. So diploma people will know. Certainly, they will know this Java. And yeah, that's good thing. So let me first of all tell you. Let me show you the syllabus. Let me present my screen, and let me first we'll start with the syllabus. What GTU says, and how we are going to execute it. Okay. Okay. I think now you can see my screen. So we'll talk all these things like after seeing the syllabus, what Java is for and what are the possible recommend. Okay. Now, are you able to see my screen? I think I will ask one or two times. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So I think this is the syllabus of GTU. Let me zoom it. You can also zoom it if you are seeing from mobile phone. I know most of you are seeing from mobile phone, so you can just pinch and zoom. This is how you can see the syllabus. Okay. Okay. So new subject code. I think this time only you have encountered. Oh, this time only you have encountered this subject. That's what I feel. I think this is the first time, and from your batch only it starts experimenting with you people. That's what I feel. Yeah, any doubt, anything you want to say, you can write down chat box. Okay. Try to mute yourself so that it won't create any chaos. Anyway. Now, this is core course. This is known as a core course. What do you mean by core course? What do you mean by core subject? The subjects which you have to learn, which are very basic. So without learning that basic, you cannot go ahead. Those subjects are known as a core courses. So let's say data structure, DBMS, CO, computer organization or architecture. These are the core subjects. These are core courses. Without it, you cannot go ahead. Okay. Yeah. Next thing is prerequisite. So as I told you, take this subject as a like lightly. Don't put too much work like whatever sir says. Like we need to learn. Slowly, slowly, I'm here to teach you. Slowly, slowly, we'll learn together. Don't worry. Yeah. So prerequisite, that means what? In order to learn this subject, do we require any prerequisite? Do we need to learn anything else? No. Right now, there is none. Right now, there is none. Okay. Now, what it's written, what actually object-oriented programming is. Now, subject name is object-oriented programming. One, it's not like Java, but in this concept, I mean, you see, so subject name it's a one sort of concept. It's not a like Java only. So in object-oriented programming, it could be C++, Java, Python also comes, .NET can also come. But yeah, but in order to understand this concept, we'll be using Java as a language. I hope you understand now this basic things. Okay, object-oriented programming. Anyway, so object-oriented programming has become fundamental part of software development. You see the software development. OP facilitates reuse of code, flexibility, effective problem solving. It provides modular structure for programs and implementation detail are hidden. Reuse of code lowers the cost of development. Okay, whatever it is written right now, if you don't learn or if you don't see carefully, that's fine. It's completely fine. Okay, it's completely fine. Okay, so software development, this is the main thing. Even after 4 years, after 3 years, some company will come, they will hire you. Okay, so software development is the main thing that we are going to do. We are going to develop some softwares. We are going to develop some software. That is the first thing. Okay. So without software development, I mean, don't no need to do this IT engineering competency because you don't know how to code. Then what is the use of doing this engineering? What is the use of paying this much fee if you don't know the code? Okay, that's the thing. So it's up to us that how we go to this software development. Yeah, and this fundamental thing, object-oriented programming. So why they try to put here? Why they try to put here? What's the application? What's the use? So right now we'll just skip this part. Whatever it said, modular programming, module structure. We'll skip this part. Reusable of code. Even we'll skip this part. We'll learn this after some time. Okay, once we go to the basic things, then we'll learn after some time. So right now, even after I tell you that this is the reusable code or module structure, you won't understand at this moment, and later on also you will get confused. So it's better that we'll go with this syllabus little bit, and then slowly I will introduce to this thing. Okay, so these are the teaching schemes. 4 lectures, 2 practical, it must come. This is credit, total 5 credit subject. There will be 70 marks external exam, so GT will take. This is mid semester exam that our institute will take. So practical marks, you see this component 30-20. This is the Viva component. So either Viva will be taken by us or by some external faculty. That depends upon GTU, what they decides. This is purely internal mark, 20 marks. In this 20 marks will cover your behavior, your work, whether are you giving me this assignment or practical files on time basis or not. Like that will be covered in this 20 marks. Okay. This subject, again, as I told you, based depends upon GTU. Are you following my cursor, right? So if you we are following this Viva component, then that depends upon GTU. Okay. So total marks is 150, and next comes this the chapter name. Okay. Now you see. Now you might be feeling like, oh, this chapter is very long. You see, there are so many things are written. Okay. Now, as I told you, I mean, I will keep repeating. I will keep telling you that if you have any doubt, you can write down chat box. So I'll address it later on. I'll keep checking the chat box. Okay. So yeah, here, Java and elementary programming. You see, total hours 4. That means what? So in 4 lecture type, I mean, you need to complete this 4 lecture. GTU is telling us that you need to complete this chapter in 4 lecture only. That means this chapter is not that much big, but yeah, they specifically told us that you need to learn this programming style like that. Documentation error, you need to learn like this. Reading input from console, identifier variables, assignment statements, you need to learn these things only in 4 lectures. Okay. Same way selections, mathematical functions, loop, again 4 lectures, methods and array. Now these things are very important. 6 marks. Objects and classes, very important. From here I think object oriented starts, 4 marks. Object oriented thinking, how you are going to think, again 5 marks. Sorry, not marks, sorry, my mistake. It's a 4 lectures, 5 lectures, 5 hours. Exception handling, there are a lot many questions they'll be asking exception handling. Okay, it's a 4 hours. Now this one is new, Java FX basics and event driven programming animations. This is very new. In history of this GTU, they have not introduced this chapter. This is the first time we are seeing this Java FX for UI. For UI, if you can see, what is the full form of UI? It's a user interface, right? So how you are going to improve the user interface? So that comes in a Java FX, and it comprises of 5 hours. Okay, and next UI control, UI controls and multimedia. So how you are going to using JavaFX, how you are going to put this radio button text field. Okay, so let me show you. Radio button, not in Android, HTML. Okay, let me show you what is radio button. So you just see. Okay, let me check here. Okay, now this is the radio button. I think how you can see the radio button, either male, female, others, or the age group. I can select and then I press submit button. Okay, what are these? These are called radio button. So how do I put radio button in my screen? That we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, then comes this binary IO, recursion, generic, list, text queue, priority queue. This one is very important chapter. From I think 9th to 12, these are very important chapters. But yeah, but these are the once you learn the basic, then and then you can learn these things. Concurrency, the last chapter, you see they have written bold letter. The purpose is writing in bold letter is the threading comes. Based on threading, there are so many jobs available on market. If you know the thread very well, they will hire you. Okay. Yeah. So all these things, all these hours, if you total it, it will be around like 56 to 60 lectures. I hope you are getting, I hope you are listening to me. Everyone, just write down yes or no in chat box. So, like, okay, okay. So, let me just close it. Okay. So these are the 12 chapters. Total 12 chapters are there, but don't worry. First 4 to 5 chapters it will take time to learn. Like you might be feeling like when this syllabus will complete, but the rest of chapters it will not take that much time. Okay, but because you know the basic. Okay. Now, these things like distribution of theory marks. So you know this things. This knows a Bloom's taxonomy. This things is also Bloom's taxonomy. No, this is not in your syllabus. I'm just explaining you whatever GTO has given in your syllabus. I'm just explaining you what are these things. Okay. So what do you mean by this R level, U level, A level, N level, E level? These are the level. R means remember level. Remember level. U level means understanding level, and A means analytical level. Okay, now it's written here application level. N means analyze level, E means evaluate level, and C means create and above levels. Okay, that means what? Whatever marks you are going to ask. So GTU is going to get. I mean, GTU will give you 70 marks paper, right? Theory paper. 70 marks. Well, they will ask this understandable level because once you understand this thing, let's say this keyword thread. You understood this thread. That's fine. So they will ask question that will be understandable level. They will not ask you to tell you that create a thread. That means what? At this level, they will not ask. Yeah, but in this application level, they might ask you to create an application using this thread. Okay, so from 10 marks only they will ask question. Rest of 50 marks will be understand level. Remember level, they will ask 10 marks. Remember means what? If you remember that what is the Java or API, that's let's assume right now I cannot say they will ask, but they may ask like what is JDK ID like that. Then they can come in this remember level. Very basic question, and I think everyone will know this remember level. Understand level is again basic, very easy. From here you need to put some effort from application level, analyze level. If they ask question from here, you need to put some effort. You need to learn by yourself. You need to read a lot. You need to practice. Analyze level, they said dash. That means they will not ask this kind of question. That's it. Okay, simple. Now what is written? So I'm just going through this GTU syllabus only, and nothing, not going to technical thing. Okay, as I told you, we'll just go through these basic things so you can get familiar with this Java. So this specification table shall be treated as a general guideline for students and teachers. The actual distribution of marks in the question paper may vary slightly from above table. Yeah, it depends upon examiner. So examiner is like uh, he knows very well. So they may ask you like 20 marks of application layer, 50 marks of this, and there is no remember level question. It could happen. So it's a note given by GTU. Anyway, these are the reference book. These are the reference book. Okay. So introduction Java programming, object-oriented program with Java, programming in Java, programming in Java, core Java volume. Okay. So these are the books, reference books. Okay. Now, let me tell you, are you using any app for reading? For examination purpose, any app are you using? Anyone knows any app? Are you from mobile phone? Are you reading? Are you using any app? If you know any app, then you can write on chat box. Okay, I think I will tell you this app because that app will be helpful in your assignment as well as in your examination purpose also. Whatever I written, did you get? Have you used this app? Have you used this app? Anyone? Okay, I think Gaurav says no. Manan says okay. So I written the name. Okay, my screen is shared, right? So I can show you. So play dot okay play.google.com. Let me show that app. VHVAL. Okay. Okay, this one. I'm talking about this one. Now download this app. Okay, I think in my mobile phone I have not downloaded, but this is very useful for students. So many final year students telling me that this app which helped them a lot. So whenever like at the time of assignment to examination, you can download app and you can read Java from it. Okay, so just confirm me whether you got this app or not from application. I think from mobile phone, if you are seeing, then you can always download. Did you get that app, everyone? Just 1 or 2% will say yes, then that's fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, download it and keep it with you. This will be very helpful for you people, because at the end you may not get some useful material, but from this app, I mean, so you see this app, I do not recommend you to learn from this app only. This app is for important questions answers only. Remember, for important questions answer only. Okay, this is app is not for learning purpose. So the time of assignment and all these things, I mean, keep this app in your mobile phone. It will be helpful. You can spread it to your friends, tell it to your friends that download this, it will be helpful. Fine. Yeah, so what my purpose is that I will give each and every material, I will give each and everything to you. It's up to you, and I will also teach you each and everything in depth, and sometimes in more depth what you are not expecting. But ultimately you need to write question paper, right? So that you need to do by yourself. Everything I'm going to teach you, that's the thing. And usually yeah, for book, yeah, if someone says, sir, actually I need book only, so let me open Amazon. I think this book is a very good and best book for Java. So hands on, I don't remember, but I will try to search. I think you can see. Mm, no. That book is not coming here. I think remind me later on so that I will Java book. I think, let me search here. Java for beginners. Yeah. That was the, yeah, Head First Java. You see, this book is the best book. Head First Java. I hope you can see my screen, everyone. This book is the best book. Head First Java, a friendly guide. Okay, this is Kindle edition, but you can go always go with paperback. Oh my God, it's a 1,000 rupees. Oh, okay. This book is available in library also. 2, 3 books are available, because meanwhile after 1, 2 months, if you are coming here in college, then you may get this book from library. Okay, this is the best book for Java. You can always get soft copy if you search little bit. Okay, fine. So this Head First series is very good for Android as well as Python for C. This book is very good. Okay, yeah, if you are getting this book, I don't recommend other books, but yeah, other books are also good. Here whatever is written, introduction Java programming, then this Indian author book, these books are also very good. Okay, fine. We only learn about Java. Abhishek Tiwari, I did not get you what you mean to say. You can elaborate, or you can explain in brief what you needed to say. You can write down in chat box what you wanted to say.
सर पूछ रहा हूँ कि मतलब इस पूरे उप कंसेप्ट में हम लोग केवल जावा से ही करेंगे लोग उसको।
हाँ, जावा से ही करेंगे, क्योंकि सिलेबस में जावा ये मतलब ये कंसेप्ट है, उसमें पाइथन लिखा तो हम पाइथन सीखेंगे, सीखते ऐसा। तो अभी जावा ही पूरा दिया है, तो हम जावा ही सीखेंगे, है ना।
इस पूरे सिलेबस में जावा ही है।
हाँ, अभी OOP1 सब्जेक्ट में जावा ही है। या ओके,
ओके सर,
fine. Yeah, so let's move towards the end. I mean, this course outcome, what do you mean by this course outcome? You see the CO1, course outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this given? Okay, so let me tell you, what do you mean by this course outcome? Course outcome means once you learn this entire subject, once you learn this all these 12 chapters, this GTU wants to tell, or we want to tell you, that you will be knowing this, you will be able to do this. So what we wanted to say that once you learn this all these 12 chapters, you will be able to use various Java construct feature libraries for simple problem. That's right. And 20% mark weightage is there for CO1. So you'll be able to demonstrate how to define use classes, interface, create objects. You'll be able to write a program using exception handling, multi-threading, very, very important concept with synchronization. So you'll be able to write a program using files, binary IO collection frameworks, and you'll be able to design and develop GUI-based application in group using modern tools and frameworks. So course outcome means what? This outcome means results. Okay, so once you learn this course, the result will be like this. Once you learn this course, you'll be getting result like this. You'll be able to do this. Okay. Yeah, so there are those methods. There are these methods we can measure that in this CO1, have you covered this? So what we do that this question, let's say one question we are asked from this thread. So thread comes in where, which CO? The thread comes in this multi-thread CO3, right? The thread keyword that comes in this CO3, right? So we'll ask one question of thread in this CO3 and we'll ask you in examination. Okay, right. Now that question you are not attending or that question is wrong. So once we put your marks, we'll put your marks like in thread question, you have not returned your answer was wrong. So we'll put 0 marks. Let's assume. So ultimately what we are going to do, the third question, we are going to total, we are going to sum, we are going to add all those marks of all students. And then we'll say that in CO3, students have performed very bad. So that means what? That in CO3, in this course outcome 3, where threading and exception handling is there, we need to focus more. This is how we can measure your performance. Okay, this is the some of the way which academician have decided this is the way we can measure your performance. Okay, fine. So you don't need to worry about this is for us, and we are going to do this. But you must know what are these things. Okay, knowing things, I mean, it doesn't make, I mean, it doesn't make you bad. But this is no, now you know that what is course outcome, what is a core result. Okay. Anyway, yeah, experiments, practicals. Okay, now you see there are 25 experiments given by GTU itself only. So we are not going to design any experiment by ourselves, but what we are going to do, we will perform this experiment one by one in your classes only or in lab, in your classes as well as lab. Okay, we are going to perform these things. 25 practicals are there. We'll perform one by one practical, and slowly we'll move ahead. And yeah, some practicals I'm also going to give it to you that you try by yourself. Okay, so that you can have some practice. Okay, what is required for this? Computer, laptop, that is the biggest thing for computer students. Manan asking diploma books are helpful. Yeah, Manan, so any Java related book will be helpful. But the what I'm talking about is the flow. So in so many books, they are making too much complex. You know, you might have read some books of data structure. They, I mean, they unnecessarily they make things very complex. It's like you will be hating this subject. Why I am not getting this? Because the language will be very poor. So you need a book which language is very easy to understand, and the flow of the content, it must be smooth, right? That's what you are seeking. That's what you are looking for. So any book will be helpful, but the flow will be, it has to be good. That's why I recommended that book, that if you are finding that book, then don't go with other books. Yeah, each and every book is helpful. Each and every book, your concept will get clear. But you require, I mean, at this stage, you are in 4th semester, you just come from 3rd semester, just completed 1st year. So you need a flow, very easy concept, very easy book. That's what I recommend you. Anyone, I will teach you the way like you don't know anything. You don't know anything, and I will teach you from basic. Okay, because when I was studying, I know, I think in 1st year, material science or material engineering subject comes or not. I think when I was studying that subject, at that time subject was there, and I was from Gujarati medium. And what happened? The faculties came and it starts speaking in English. I did not understand even a single one, and I got like panicked. Like how I'm going to learn? this subject. So it was like panic, fear in my mind that how I'm going to pass this subject. But slowly I learned this English, and slowly I overcome this fear. So yeah, that fear might present in you, and we also belong to the Saurashtra region. So we know that in this region, English culture is very less. So I know your thoughts, mind, how it works. So like that, we are going to go. Okay, that's why I recommend you the very easy book where you can go. Fine. Okay, so you require computer laptop. That's the biggest thing in computer IT branch, because if you are mechanical, but if you want to start something, you need that component. That components might come in the like lakhs of rupees, but here you require what? Only computer and laptop. Okay, that's the basic thing you require. Okay, and everyone have that computer laptop. And in these online sessions, without computer laptop, if you are learning this, you will not learn even a single thing. Let me tell you, this is the first instruction I wanted to tell you. Right now I'm telling you, if you are learning this subject without laptop, without computer, and if you are learning from mobile phones, you will not even learn single bit, because this is a pure practical subject. You see, 25 practicals are given, as well as these chapters are given. All chapters are related to programming only. So if you just thinking that I will just see from mobile phone and I will later on learn it, it's a misconception. Okay, you will not learn even single bit. That is guarantee from my side. Okay, so in order to learn properly, you have to have laptop or computer with you. So whatever I do here, you just replicate in your laptop computer. If you have any doubt, I'm here to solve that. But you have to keep your laptop computer, and whatever ID I tell you that we need to use this ID, then and then, I mean, you need to download that ID, you need to set up in your laptop computer, then and then you will learn. Okay, otherwise it's impossible to learn these practical subjects, because we'll be using ID only, we'll be using practicals only, right? Because there is no use of theory, there is no theory. I mean, this lecture I will be going, will be learning, I mean, I'm showing you this theory. Otherwise I would have shown this ID only. In this ID you do this, I mean, we do like this. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Fine. Okay, last says list of open source software learning websites. So these are the websites which is available. So apart from my application, I have told you that our application means that application, the Prajwal. Apart from that, these two websites are there. You can always follow these two websites. Okay, and there are a lot many things available online. Okay, so I hope you understand this syllabus. Any doubt regarding syllabus? Anything you want to ask in this? If you have doubt, I mean, you see, there are two ways you can ask me doubt. First, either write in this chat box. Second way, I mean, if you are hesitant to write down chat box, if you feel like I'll be exposed to others, what you can do, you can always WhatsApp me. So whenever I get time, I'll check my WhatsApp and I will tell you that this was a doubt. I mean, we can solve like this. Okay, fine. So yeah, I need a response from your side. Are you clear regarding this syllabus? Anything you want to ask? Just write down chat box. Yes, no. I'll be waiting. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So most of you are clear. Yeah. So our relation will be like faculty students. So let me tell you, I'm not your friend. First of all, I'm a faculty, and as a faculty student relation, even I will try to get friendly, but not you don't get that much friendly with me. That okay, I hope you understand. Respect is main thing. So uh, you keep respect of each and every faculty. That's the main thing. That's what we want. Otherwise, whatever doubts are there, anyhow, today or tomorrow, if I don't know today, I will clear your doubts tomorrow. And I will remember the doubt, and tomorrow I will call that person personally and I will clear the doubt. Okay. But you maintain the respect of faculties, and yeah, everything will be fine. Okay. Now let's see the other side. Let's see other side. What is Java? Why it's important? What is Java? Why it's important? Okay, so let me show you first of all here. Now, Naukri.com, not Rajkot. Let me go to Naukri.com. I hope you can see my screen. Okay, let me just put Java here. Java, not Java, Java. Okay, Java developer. Yeah. Okay, let me just write Java. Rest of things I will not going to write. Location. No. Let me just search. Okay, so if you can see, let me zoom in here. How much result I'm getting? 40,283 results are there in Naukri.com itself. What do you mean by this? Java developer. There is a requirement of Java developer. There is a requirement of Java jobs. Okay. Now this thing, I mean, yes, Suman Kumar says Udit has some doubt. Yes. If anyone had doubt, they can ask me. No need to go with this via. Okay. Yes, Udit, do you have doubt? Yes, Suman Kumar, be careful. No need to do this kind of joke here. At least be serious. You are paying a lot of fees. So be serious. I mean, next time if you do like this, I will remove from this meet. That's for sure. Okay. So I'm just asking you to be serious for 1 hour or half an hour. Okay. I'm not asking you to be serious for an entire day. But don't make this kind of passing comment. I mean, do you see these are the recorded sessions? Anyway, these also things are recorded. It's recorded already. Yeah, fine. So what I mean to say, let me zoom it a little bit more. I think I'm not able to zoom it more. Yeah. So these are the results I'm getting. So these are many requirements of Java developer. Okay. So these are the full stack developer, Java Golang developer. Okay. So let me reset it. Okay. The first job is here, Pune. Now, what is they are paying? You see, let's see the package. 8 lakh to 18 lakhs. Now, you are in 4th semester. I can understand you still have 2 years to pass. You don't have that much seriousness of job and all these things. But what I mean to say that we are learning one subject which is real, and there is a demand outside this academic. There is a demand outside the academic. Okay. So you will get real money if you know the Java. But what is important is they are require experience, 5 to 10 years of experience. Okay. You must know Java, Hibernate, Golang. Golang is a Google, it's developed by Google. It's again object-oriented programming language. But I think it will take around 10 years, 20 years time to that learn Golang. And GTO might consider this as a syllabus. Okay. So again, TCS, I mean, this company name is not a control. TCS has also this job, Java job. They have put here. Anyone knows Java. You see the multi-threading, this keyword, and you see this hot jobs, the keyword hot jobs. Yeah, as I told you, you can also pinch and zoom. Hot job is here. That means what 6 days ago they posted, and it's like trending. So many people are liking, so many people are applying here. Okay. The same way there are so many Java jobs are here. Okay. It's going on, you keep going on like that. 3i Infotech, Chennai. Okay. So let me just modify the little bit search. Inside the location, let me put Ahmedabad. Okay. So Ahmedabad, we have this, you see, Java based hot job is just now they have written just now. So let's see 6 to 8 years experience. Urgent opening Java and Ahmedabad senior Java developer. I mean, you see, there are so many jobs available if you know simple Java and if you are very good in Java. Now, the point is they are required experienced people. They are required experienced people. But what if you don't have experience, right? But you know Java very well. Let's see here, experience 0 years. Let's see. Still, there are jobs are there. Kite Tech Consulting, one job is there. This New Global Technologies job is there. Creative Hands HR Consultancy, Connection Phase. I mean, you see, there are so many companies where these kind of jobs are available. Okay. So I just search on Ahmedabad and I get so many results. If you search on Enter India, there will be So many results will be available. Okay, so what we are learning one programming language subject. And once you get clear with this, I mean, you can also get such kind of job if you are good enough till 8th semester. Why I'm telling you 8th semester till 8th semester? Because at the end of 7th semester or 7th semester, companies will start visiting campus and they will recruit you. Okay, so one more thing is there, Java. Android developer. You know Android? Okay, let me search here in front of you only. Android language. Okay, you see that if I write Android language, it's Java. It comes Java. Why? Because Android is written in Java. Android is written in Java, and you can make Android app while using Java. So if you are want to make some games, I mean, it using Unity software, you can make some games in Android. But basically, you must know the basics about Java. Okay. So nowadays, Google, who has developed Android, they are insisting us to learn Kotlin. That is again one of the alternative of Java. But yeah, Java is very much famous, and it's used so many places for app development also. It's stable. Stable means what? So many years has been passed, and so many bugs has been resolved. Okay, so and for Android application development, Java is there. Okay, if you learn Java, it will be helpful. That's what I'm asking. That's what I'm telling. Now, for big data, this field you don't know, but you are in IT, and I think 7th or 6th semester big data subject will come. So big data subject, big data Hadoop language. Okay, what it means? Okay, now you see the Java. Hadoop is what? Hadoop is one of the tool. Hadoop is one of the tool. Using that, you can execute big data technologies. Now, what I mean to say that Hadoop also uses Java language. So you need to do programming using Java. So Java is not like it comes here in this and we just complete and we'll just let it go. It's not like that. This knowledge will remain with you, and this knowledge you can use in so many places like Android applications, big data, as well as advanced Java. For web application also you can use this thing. For web application also you can use this Java. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. I hope you are clear with this, everyone. Write down just yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, try to write down chat box. Okay, so that yeah, sometimes so many people might feel like why to write, but yeah, if you write, then I'll feel like okay, you understood this thing. Okay, now let's come to the very basic one. What is Java, where it executes, and how it performs? And for that, let me start LibreOffice. Yeah, usually I have some work, that's why I started Ubuntu. Otherwise, usually we'll work with this Windows operating system. Okay, as I think you can see my screen, so just wait a minute. Okay, now you see. Okay, so what I wanted to show you that uh, tool. How do I get box here? That the question is, how do I get box here? LibreOffice, I'm not familiar. I'm familiar with Word, but Word is right now it's not open. Uh, these are the chart shapes. Just wait a minute. I'll just search on shapes. Okay, here, yeah, shape. These are the shapes. Okay, now let's see. This is your computer, right? This is your computer, and color none. Let me take one more. This is your server. Okay, color none. Okay, and now let me write down. This is your computer which you are using, and this is your server. Oh, not in here. Hmm. Okay, this is my server. Now, so let's say, yes, Abhishek, you can ask. Yes, what's your doubt? Yes, Abhishek. I think you are right.
सर जावा सर
हाँ हाँ, yes.
सर जावा के लिए जो आईडी यूज करेंगे
हाँ
प्रोग्रामिंग
हाँ.
के लिए सर
Mhm.
उसके बारे में सर थोड़ा बता दीजिए.
Yes, yes. We'll use ID. That will come to this point within 5 minutes. Let me just show you how this Java works. Okay, I will tell you which ID to download, which ID you need to work on with. Okay.
ओके सर, ओके
Yeah,
सर.
yeah. Okay. So yeah, what we are talking that we are talking about some website, very basic concept I'm telling you. Okay, so once you write down some google.com, once you say google.com from here, let's say, अरे यार, this is again a problem. Google.com. So what happens? The Google.com request goes to server. I mean, this is very basic funda. This is very pretty basic things here. I'm just telling you in a very basic way. So that comes in goes to server, and then server finds that okay, I got a request for Google.com. Which page I need to show to client? That server will identify that page and server will send that page to me. Server will send that page to me, and I can see the Google.com here. The same way I can see my site here. I can see my website here. Okay, this is a basic thing. Now Java is what? Java is server side programming language. Java is what? Java is server side programming language. That means what? That means if you have made some website in Java, that means if you, let's say google.com, you have made in Java. So once you request a google.com, the Java will be executed server side. Java will execute that request at server side. It executes whatever data you need. It will execute at server side. That data you will get here in browser. So yeah, you might have heard that yeah, this website has been made using Java. Yeah, that's fine. It's made using Java. But where that code executes, that code executes at server side, not in your laptop or not in your computer. Remember. So in laptop computer, what you have? In laptop computer, you have browser, right? You have browser, and browser can understand only three components. That is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, your browser can understand all these three is only component. So Java, it can understand Java, it can understand Python, it can understand .NET. But what you can do is at server side, you can make your website using Java. So whatever request you send, server side Java will handle all this thing. Java will convert your page into in this three format: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then you can see your website. Okay, I mean this concept is must. This concept you must understand that Java is executing at server side only. Okay, so in your computer you can also make this laptop as a server. You can also make your computer as a server. Okay, so this is the fundamental thing, very basic thing, and so many people have doubt in this thing. So I hope I'm clear with this thing. Okay, okay. So as this Abhishek asked the question, which ID? Yeah, Udit says familiar with NetBeans. That's correct. We are going to work with NetBeans. That's right. NetBeans ID. So you need to download NetBeans ID. Why NetBeans ID? You see, there are others ID. Eclipse also there. Some other IDs also there. But what I mean to say that this ID is very easy. Yes, this ID is very easy to work with, and uh, the core formatting, all these things are very good. Code economics. So you can download this NetBeans ID. Just click on download. What you need to do? Okay. So you can download this any Apache NetBeans 12 or 12 limited series edition like that. Older is also. Let me just click on download. Let's see what happens. Okay. If you're using Windows, you can click this Windows. His ID will be installed. This Linux, if you're using Linux, you can download this thing and configure it. Okay, fine. So we'll be using NetBeans ID as our ID, so that it will be very very helpful. So I think tomorrow we have also class or lab we have. So whenever you come to lab, you install ID. You come with the ID install. Okay. I mean, don't come like, sir, we have not installed ID, it's still left. Then again, I'll be teaching here and you won't be able to perform it here. Okay, that will be problem. So I hope you are clear with this ID, Abhishek. Yes, Hardik, you are again right. VS Code is also there. I also VS Code it's here. I'm also using VS Code also, but I'm using for Angular and other languages. Even Eclipse is also there. Eclipse is also there, but I'm not using Eclipse because NetBeans ergonomics are very easy. I mean, where the code is there, what's the output? If you want to see the output, if you want to check the error, NetBeans, I mean, it keeps all these things in neat and clean way. That's why I'm using NetBeans ID. Otherwise, it's your choice. You see, the code, the way it executes all these things, like it will be remain as it is in Eclipse also and VS Code also. So can you repeat, sir, instruction regarding ID? IDE, I'm talking about IDE. Let me write down in chat box what I'm IDE, Integrated Development Environment. What do you mean by IDE? Integrated Development Environment. So it will provide us environment where we can develop something. It will provide some environment where we can develop something. So it's an IDE. It's an IDE. Okay. Yeah. So okay, Om Prakash. Okay. So any doubt regarding this basic things and so I feel uh, this Abhishek Tiwari and mm, uh, this people I think you are from Bihar, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so right now are you at a place at your place or you are at Rajkot?
Sir, Bihar.
Okay, try to be online as much as possible and try to do from a laptop because yeah, and it's you see if you have much more doubt, further doubts, you can always come to college, but you first need to get permission from my side. You get a permission from my side that sir we have doubt and we want to come and we want to use this lab, so you can always come to college. Okay, but plan in advance, then and then you come. Plan in advance and then and then you come. Okay, fine. Those who are from Bihar, they no need to come here. I mean, we'll try our level best to solve your doubts online only. Okay, okay, so I will come 23rd January. Yes, yes. I think in February physical class will start. Even I'm not sure. Depends upon government notification. Okay. Yeah. So this was a very basic concepts. We have seen the syllabus. We have seen ID. We have seen about Java programming language. It's used everywhere, and we have seen again CO about the books and the practicals we are going to perform. I also told you the application and all these things. Fine. So any more doubt, anything you want to ask? So yeah, I sometimes I feel in online you might be writing or you have some doubt and you need time to express. So I'll mute myself for 1 minute and I'll wait. If any doubt, you can write down chat box. I will address it. Otherwise, we'll end this session and I will meet tomorrow. So let me mute myself for 1 more minute and let's check any if you're in doubt or not. Yes, Parth, a very good question. We'll do coding in both session. will go do coding in both session, because entire subject is practical only. There is no like distinction between like theory and, yeah, we can go like presentation is there for, let's say, this chapter presentation is always there, but you won't understand for presentation. What I need to do in presentation, I just need to speak blah blah blah, and you will just say okay, 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 sorry, yes sir, and I think end of the day you will not understand. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one topic, I'm going to code that in my ID, and I will show it to you how this is gets output. Okay, this is my style to teach you. Okay, so that you can understand very well. Yeah, we'll use PPT. So many times we'll use PPT also, where after covering this so many practical sessions, we'll see the PPT, what else we have covered and what we can do. Okay, but so in both session, we'll do that. Okay, it's just similar C program, totally different. Architecture is different. Architecture is different. Abhishek, Java is not similar to C program, because you see the C and C++, they directly interact with CPU. Okay, in short, I'm telling you, they directly interact with CPU, but whereas Java, they interact with JVM, Java Virtual Machine. They interact with JVM. So why JVM is there? It's a mediator. It's a middleman between the CPU and us. So if anything wrong goes, like program is wrong or something goes wrong in your program, your computer will not get crash, or your computer won't get shut down. Okay, so JVM will handle all these things. Okay, so yeah, it's a different. You see, you are comparing your Maruti car with your Ferrari. So in India, you want to go with the Ferrari, you need a expressway kind of highway, right? But if you want to go with the city where a lot of bumps are there, you need a Maruti car or something similar to kind of car. Okay, so but Ferrari goes faster, way faster than other things, we know. So C and C++ is like Ferrari, they go faster, but Java is slower. But a lot of things, lot of supports are there in Java where we can work done with this Java. I hope I'm clear, Abhishek. C is a procedure oriented while Java is object oriented. Yes, Udit Raj, that's the thing.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, Hardik.
हेलो सर.
Yes, please ask me any doubt.
हाँ सर, ये नेटबीन्स में जेवीएम इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा या डायरेक्ट आईडी रन करेगा?
नहीं नहीं, डिपेंड्स कि आपने आईडी में ज्यादातर जेडीके वो बोलता है कि जेडी वी रिक्वायर जेडीके. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, आई थिंक यू कैन सी माय स्क्रीन इज शेयर्ड ओनली. डाउनलोड जेडीके for Windows. You search like that, you will you see the link. You download Java from this Oracle. I mean, you just need to register in Oracle. It's a free. Okay, it's again free, but you just need to register in Oracle website, and you will be able to download Java. If ID does not run, if any problem error comes, then you need to download this JDK from this Oracle. Okay.
Sir, I already connected with VS Code.
Yes, yes. What?
I have already connected with VS Code, sir.
Okay, that's fine. You can use VS Code also. I will be doing in NetBeans.
Okay ना sir?
हाँ, इट्स ओके, फाइन, चलेगा. क्योंकि क्या है कि नेटबीन्स में जो कोड है वही वीएस कोड में तुम्हें लिखना है. बस एग्जीक्यूशन स्टाइल में थोड़ा डिफरेंस होगा, है ना. तो वो तो तुम्हें पता है एग्जीक्यूट कैसे करना है. सो यू कैन
हाँ,
डू
वो तो
दैट,
पता
है ना.
हाँ.
दैट्स फाइन. Fine, everyone. So I think that's it. This was the first lecture. We'll start from tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Let's see when our lecture is there. Okay. So meanwhile, the attendance type, I will tell you to write down your number in chat box. So even I will share my screen. So right now my screen is shared. You can see your number you have written or not. Okay. So everyone write down your number in chat box. Okay. Yeah, I will write down in chat box. Everyone write down your whole number in chat box, okay, so that I can come to know. Okay, this is my email ID, Marwad email ID. Someone was asking, so you can note it down. Okay, I think everyone has written the number, right? No one is left, right? Anyone left? Okay, so let me stop sharing. Let me stop recording also. Thank you, everyone. Let me stop recording also.